Hello everyone. I want to give you a quick video on the syllabus. This is a syllabus and you can download a copy of it as well. The top part is just the course name. This is Accounting 1 for the summer second 5 weeks in the 2020 semester. Your course meets on Monday and Wednesday from 12 o'clock noon till 3:45 p.m. And it was supposed to be in Gateway 303, but we are doing virtual instruction during the summer semester. This means that we do not meet in person. All material and lessons will be available for you online. This next part is just general information. It's my name, Professor Stephanie Kroeger, the email address, and you can also email me through Canvas. It doesn't matter which one. I have my email open all day, and if you message me through Canvas, it does get sent to my Ocean email. So I do see it in both places, and I usually respond pretty quickly during business hours. This is the phone number for my office, but in the summer semester, I will not be in my office because the campus is still closed. So don't call this number because I won't be there to answer it. So if you need me, please do it through email. If we need to discuss something really important and normally do want to meet in person for that, we can set up a video chat. So just send me an email and we can do that. My office is Gateway 307, but like I said, I'm not going to be there during the summer. Here are my office hours. Once again, I'm not available during office hours in my office, but I will be online. And if you do need to discuss anything with me, we can set up virtual chats during these times, but I'm also available other times as well. So just send me your schedule, some dates and times that you'd like to talk, and we can set up a virtual chat. This next section is the course description. We're going to start with the accounting cycle of a service operation, and then we're going to continue by talking about merchandising companies, so companies that sell inventory. We're going to have chapters where we speak about cash, receivables, which you don't know what that is yet. In addition, this course covers the acquisition, allocation, and disposal of property, plant, and equipment, natural resources, and intangible assets. We do recommend CSIT 123 to be taken before you take this course because sometimes we do have Excel in the course and you would understand it better if you have taken this CSIT class. Okay, now for the textbook. We're using Fundamental Accounting Principles, the 24th edition. It's a McGraw-Hill textbook, and you do need Connect Access for the course. Connect Access is through the publisher, and that's where all your assignments and quizzes are located. As far as I know, for the summer semester, as I'm creating this video ahead of time, you do have to purchase the textbook and the access code. In the fall semester, it should be included as part of your tuition, but for right now, you do have to purchase it. And I'll show you how to do that in another video after this one. Here are the course objectives. These are the major topics we're going to be covering, and this is basically what you're going to be tested on. We'll have assignments and quizzes for all these topics, and your grade is based on your understanding and your ability to do these different objectives. Next, we have the course standards and policies. We have 5 quizzes in the course. They're non-cumulative, so it's only on those specific chapters. It won't be on everything put together. Basically, every 2 chapters, you'll have a quiz. This is like an exam, so do take it seriously. I don't do makeup quizzes unless you had let me know in advance. If you let me know ahead of time that your schedule may be different for this week and you need to push it back an extra day or you want to take it early, you just need to let me know. But after the due date, if you send me a message saying, sorry, I didn't take the quiz, I missed it, well, you're going to get a 0 on it. It would be too late at that point. But if there is an issue, just please let me know before the due date. I can always extend the quiz, but it's very difficult for me to reopen it. And I usually don't do it unless there is some crazy circumstance. As you went in to take it, all of a sudden lightning struck your house and you lost power. That's something that maybe I would consider, but for the most part, I don't allow makeups for quizzes. Due dates are very, very important in the business profession, not just accounting. So we're trying to teach you these skills now to follow due dates and submit things on time, because there are penalties if you don't. Next, we have the reading assignments. These are very easy. It's kind of like an easy A for these. There's one for each chapter, and we have 10 chapters. So there are 10 reading assignments. Basically, you would read the textbook, either a physical textbook or the ebook online, and then you just have to answer some questions at the end. There would be no more than 20 questions. Now, if you get all 20 correct, then you get 100%. But let's say you keep getting them wrong, it won't affect your grade. You just need to answer those 20 questions correctly. So you can have 50 questions in a row that you got wrong, and then as long as you answer 20 correctly, you'll get 100%. So wrong answers do not count against you, but then you do have to answer an additional question. There is a video below this one on how to do the reading assignments. Now, the reading assignments are worth 10% of your grade, 1% each. The quizzes, which I had just covered, are 50% of your grade. They're worth 10% each. Okay, next we have just the regular assignments. This is different than the reading assignments. These are a lot more technical. The reading assignments are more like answering multiple choice questions or basic definitions, where the assignments, you're going to be doing journal entries and doing a lot more involved type of problems. There are 10 of them, and they're done in Connect as well. They are worth 3% each, so 30% of your grade. So make sure you don't skip these because they add up after a while. Now, some of the rules, they are due on the due date. And if you don't do it, then you will get a 0. I do not accept late assignments. There is a study attempt feature, which means that if you do skip the assignment and you miss it, you can still do it after the due date, but it won't count towards your grade. If for some reason you know that you can't, reach out to me ahead of time. Let me know, because I can extend it. But once the due date passes, this system does not allow me to reopen it. So this isn't me being mean or anything. It's a system does not physically allow me to reopen it once the due date has passed. But before the due date, I can extend it for you. So once again, really, you just need to communicate with me. Send me a message saying, I'm sorry, I'm really sick the last couple days. Here's my doctor's note. Can you please give me an extra day to do it? I can do that once you tell me ahead of time. Like I said, if you tell me after, I cannot do it no matter the reason. Now, some good things about the assignments are that there are unlimited attempts, meaning you can do these assignments as many times as you want, and the highest grade will be your grade. There is a video below this one that I explain how to do the assignments and some other features that are available with the assignments. Now, since we're not meeting face-to-face, I don't have attendance because we're not actually meeting, but I do have a class participation grade, which is very easy. This should also be an easy A. It is worth 10% of your grade, so 1% each, because there's 10 of them. And all you're doing for this is you're downloading a document that I'm giving you. And as you're watching videos, you're going to fill in the document and then submit it. Basically just letting me know that you watched the videos and you followed along. I am going to be giving you all the answers. You just have to write them down. Now, even though we're not meeting, if there is some type of issue where you can't submit something on a certain time, for these reasons are acceptable from the college, religious obligations or observances, as long as you let me know the first week of class, any dates that you cannot attend or participate in the class. Any college sponsored events, military training, jury duty and subpoenas, or documented chronic illness, meaning I need to have a doctor's note. If you keep scrolling down, these are just general policies that all syllabi have from all your instructors. They're the same ones. There's rules about the college. Please no cheating in this class. If you're caught cheating, you're going to get a 0 on that item or in the course, or even suspended or expelled from the college. So at the end, it's not worth it. You can read through these on your own. Library databases, statement of accommodation, privacy, video and audio recording policy wouldn't apply here because we're not even meeting in person. Title IX, A couple notes that the last day to withdraw from class is July 22nd to receive a W grade. Okay, now I have the course schedule. So Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, you're going to work on one chapter. Saturday, Sunday, and Monday on the second chapter. And then the seventh day of the week, which is a Tuesday, there'll be a quiz on both chapters. So that's basically how I have everything set up. So the first week has the most things because there's a readiness quiz and an introduction discussion. It's not graded, but in order for everything else to unlock, you just have to complete this. And then there are the normal items each week. So the classwork that counts as your participation, the reading assignment, and the regular assignment. They're all due at midnight. And then you would have the second chapter due a few days later at midnight, and then you have the quiz due the last day at midnight. I will open the quiz 24 hours in advance. So the quiz would be open Monday and Tuesday, and you can take it either day. Also note that the college is closed on July 3rd. So I moved those items to be submitted on July 4th, but I do recommend just kind of following the schedule as you would each week and trying to submit this maybe even early. That's basically it for the syllabus. Like I said, a lot of these specific items I have videos for below this one, so make sure you check all of them out.